Hey guys, what is up? My name is Hunter, and this video I'm going to tell you guys how to run Facebook ads for carpet cleaning. So let's get started. Okay, so what you need to do is go to this website where facebookads.com/library and type in carpet cleaning, and then you can see all the most recent carpet cleaning ads for that people are running in the United States, basically. Okay, so these are all the newer ones, so I don't like to look at the newer ones because they are just testing them. I like to scroll down and look at the older ones that have been running for some time. So if we go here, this one's December 29th, still too new. We need to keep going here. I'll show you guys which ones I like to use. So you see this one, it started running on June 30th. You see how it's just a before and after picture? This is the type of ad that you want to run. I found that before and after pictures really do work very well. And then another type of ad that I recommend running, like this ad, before and after, deep contrast, very, very good. Don't try these stock image photos. They don't run very well. Or they don't work very well. So I don't recommend trying those at all. This ad might work good. Not sure. But another ad I like to run is kind of like this. You see how he's smiling here, but this one's too stock. And then you would want to be smiling with the customer and then have the machine in the background and have a really good before and after picture. So you incorporate with the before and after pictures like this, like have this image right here and then have you and the customer smiling on the staircase with this in the background, and that's the type of ad that you want to run for cover cleaning. Okay, so I just told you guys what the image you need to use to run for carpet cleaning, and then we're going to go over to the ads manager and I'm going to show you exactly how to put it in ads manager and create it. So go to campaigns, click create, click engagement, because we want to drive traffic to your page and then get messages. So this will be a messaging campaign. Click next. Okay, here we go. Click the page that you want to be messaged. So you should have already made your business page. Change this to $5. Facebook wants you to spend more money, but we're going to put it down to $5. And then locations, just type in your city. So whatever city you're in, you need to type that in here. And then this should be a 25-mile radius right here, okay? So I found 25 miles works the best. You can up it to 30. I've upped it to 30 on my business before. So it doesn't matter too much. If you want to get better results, I recommend doing 35 miles, but you just have to test it and see how it works. Leave all this the same. Click next. Okay, now we're in the ad itself. So click the image that you want. You would put your image in there. I'm not actually going to put my image, or I'm not going to put the image in there because I don't have an image for carpet cleaning, but just do what I told you before and put your image right there. And you want 5 different images so that way we can test different pictures and see which one works the best. Okay, so get 5 different pictures just like I told you, and you'll be good. And then next, what you want to do is call out your city. So say, hey, St. Louis, or your city in nearby areas. Okay. And then we offer carpet cleaning, rug, spot removal, spot treatment, whatever you have, whatever you offer for your business, put it right there. Okay. Next, don't put any prices right there. I mean, you can. I would just put what you offer right there. Then put your phone number, call/text. 5555555. Okay, and then just say calls/text your phone number. Copy that, and then we're gonna put this in the headline. Okay, and then put a little emoji right here. That's like a cleaning emoji with bubbles, and that would really help you guys for your business, and that would really help the ad just pop if you put an emoji right here next to your phone number, and then people can screenshot that as well. Next, we'll go down here, messaging template. You're gonna have to edit this yourself. It's pretty cool what you can do with it though. You can make little replies like this. So just edit it how you want to edit it, and it's not that hard to edit it. The tracking, don't worry about that. That's kind of more advanced. And then you would want to click duplicate 4 copies. Click duplicate. Okay. And then each one of these would be a different picture. So you want to do 5 different pictures on this campaign, and you want to test which one works best. So once you have your pictures in each one of these, you click the X mark here and click review and publish, and it would publish everything at the same time. So it would just publish everything at the same time, and I'm not going to publish everything, but that's what it would do. And then you're good to go. And then you just see which one has the best cost per result in this column right here. And I would say anywhere from $5 to $20 per message is good. You can get, better CPMs as you go along with it and test more stuff, but that's about how I would judge that. And anyways, guys, that's the end of the video. That's all I wanted to show you guys. And I'm just going to drop my course down below, my $7 course, and then I have my Accelerator program down below if you want to check that out. And anyways, guys, I will see you on the next video. So see you guys.